Hey folks, Noah here at Ayer Auto Sales, 572 North Main Street in Barrie, Vermont. Beautiful Thursday out today. Leading up to the weekend, one more day away. We're getting closer and closer by the second. Come check out this 2013 GMC SIERRA. The price on it is $21,995. It's got 87,155 original miles on it. Of course, it is the Z71 package. It's got brand new general grabbers. They're the all-terrain, the 265/70/17. I just wanted to show everybody all of these seams. Look how clean it is up here in the wheel well, folks. Expected to see at least some surface rust, but there is none. As are the rockers under the doors. I've said it in previous videos and it still holds true. These GMs are really known for rotting right here. And this truck has no signs of that at all. Same with the suicide door here on the rear drivers. Cab corners. And we even have enough seating for 3 people if you want to get a little cozy up front. This truck really is immaculate in and out, folks. Even down to the carpet. So like I said, 87,155 miles on it. Digital compass, digital thermometer. There's no warning lights on the dash. This truck also has OnStar. Here you've got your turn dial 4-wheel drive selector, 2, auto, 4 high, 4 low. Receptacle here for 12 volt and a USB receptacle there for charging. And you do have an auxiliary input here so you can plug your phone in, listen to tunes. This truck has the 5.3. It's got the Vortec V8, the Viper remote start. Super handy now that it is winter. Power windows, power locks. Here is the brake gain controller for the trailer. Go ahead and show you that even the fasteners in the door jambs aren't rusty. Got power seat option here in the front on the driver's side. Got the soft tonneau cover, and of course it does have a spray-in bed liner. So just to recap, folks, it's a 2013 GMC SIERRA 1500, 87,155 original miles. You can fill out online credit applications on our website, ayerautosales.com, if you would like to get pre-approved for the truck. Check us out on Facebook too, facebook.com/AyerAutoSalesLLC. You will not be disappointed, folks. Swing by Monday through Friday 9 to 6, Saturdays 9 to 3. You know the drill. This is Noah from Ayer Auto Sales, signing off.